Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to unbox the Inspira Agenda Sky A6, 148mm by 105mm. Guys, let's start unboxing. Please watch this video till the end. The matte laminated cover weighs about 300 grams per square meter. This agenda contains 48 inner sheets of wood-free paper, natural white, 80 grams per square meter. This agenda is sturdy and can withstand a year's worth of daily use without falling apart. You can keep track of important dates and events, write down your calendar appointments or to-do lists, as well as notes. This Agenda Sky has a ribbon bookmark to mark pages and an elastic band to keep it perfectly closed. This agenda is available in 3 designs: blue, violet, and yellow. Please like, comment, and subscribe.